Let's go to the second question, if that's okay. So then the question, a lot of our clients is asking, shall we talk about the high-end treatments or just general treatments? What should dentists talk? What's your thought on it, Micahel?
Well, I guess there's two pressures right now. Some people are going to be very concerned about money more than they were before. And so talking about high-end treatment in a market that is very price sensitive, you may find that a lot of patients who were ready to go ahead with treatment are now getting second thoughts. Now, if they're getting second thoughts, you can't really talk them into anything. It's okay to talk somebody into doing an extra clean or a fissure seal or some minor thing, but you can't talk people into doing multiple thousands of dollars of treatment. There's no communication, nor should it be, because it's got to be ethical. So I think we have to be realistic in that on one side, the money will become a bigger deal. On the other side, if it's long treatment and big treatment, that hasn't got so much of an effect about coronavirus, meaning that walking into a practice which is clean and sterilized, you're not going to get sick if there's not thousands of people in the place. So I don't think that's the issue anymore. I think really it's going to boil down to the affordability of the treatment. And now a dentist may want to decide, let's just try to sequence out the treatment and break it down into smaller component bits. So we do something and then later on do something else and start thinking about it from that perspective, because it's very common in dentistry that you can actually draw the treatment out if you wanted to. And I guess strategically, once a person starts, they tend to want to continue. So you may want to think about it. That becomes a clinical question.
Right. Now, thank you, Micahel. That gives a very much clarity on that, and obviously I see a lot of our clients and a lot of the viewers watching right now from Facebook and number of channels. I hope that has given them a bit of insight. And by the way, guys, if you like this and if you like what it's all about, and we're so feel free to share, like, and comments. We'd love to hear more about that.